Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into Outlook using Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the window. Here, type in Outlook Login and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up search results related to Outlook's login page, making it easy for you to access your email account quickly. From the search results that appear, look for the official Outlook login link. It's typically one of the first results displayed. Click on this link to navigate directly to the Outlook sign-in page. This ensures you're accessing the legitimate Microsoft Outlook platform and not any third-party sites. Once the Outlook page loads, you'll notice a sign-in button located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button to begin the login process. This will take you to the credentials input page where you can enter your account information. Now you'll see a field where you need to input your email address. Type in the email associated with your Outlook account and then click the next button. This step verifies which account you're trying to access and prepares the system to authenticate your credentials. After clicking Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully in the designated field and then click the Sign In button. This authenticates your identity and grants you access to your Outlook inbox and all its features. At this point, Outlook may ask if you want to stay signed in. This option allows you to remain logged in even after closing the browser, which can be convenient for frequent use. You can choose either No or Yes depending on your preference. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's safer to select No. If you're on your personal device and want quicker access, selecting Yes saves you from having to log in every time. And that's it. You've successfully logged into your Outlook account through Google Chrome and can now access your emails, calendar, and other features. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.